The Semifab 1250127 is a blower assembly used in cleanroom applications. These blowers are involved in keeping the positive pressure up within rooms as required by cleanroom specifications. This particular blower system had a bad bearing in the motor, which required ERD to replace it, along with its starter capacitor. In the video, the technician is running the blower system with its nominal 220 volts of alternating current. This blower has a rating of over 500 CFM, so is fairly strong and directed for use within a cleanroom ceiling. ERD repairs many items used in the semiconductor industry, from the simple, such as these blowers, to the complex robots used in moving the wafers through the system. ERD is ready to handle any repair. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.